Babe, from the time I met you, I had no idea that this day would turn into something beautiful like now. Who would have thought na yung workmate ko, soulmate ko pala. You are someone I never expect to become part of me. But you came and brought me so much joy. And finally, we made it today. Akala ko imposible talaga. But we did it.
Wherever you are.
Umamin siya sa akin one time.
Ba't ganito yung pakiramdam pag hindi ko na siya nakakasama ng 15 days? Sobrang lungkot na. Sobrang lungkot na nararamdaman ko. Kumbaga,
Yung pagsasama kasi namin, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng Malaysia. So, parang nung umamin siya sa akin, dun ko lang din na-realize na parang may gusto na ako sa kanya.
Wave after wave, you are pulling me in. My true love and devotion.
maraming salamat kasi pinalaki niyo kami na maayos. Hindi niyo kami hindi niyo kami pinabayaan. Andan kayo palagi sa lahat ng times na kailangan namin kayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pangaral na binigay ninyo sa amin.
Our love forever. Together we'll build a home that is filled with love.
Bumubuo kayo ng mga kwento sa buhay ninyo. And ang mga kwentong ito, magiging may kwenta lamang kung kasama nyo ang Diyos.
Miss a thing. I'll hang on to it.
I'm very much thankful to God for answering my prayer. Ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin, babe. Yung makasama ka at makasama ka habang buhay. Dati, lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na aalagaan ko ang babaeng ibibigay sa akin ng Panginoon.
Rise like oceans. Wave after wave, you are pulling me in. My true love and devotion. I'll spend eternity and only.
Thank you, babe, for fooling this once upon a time dream of mine. Ikaw yung dumating sa buhay ko na sobra-sobra kong pinasasalamatan.
Our love forever.
Maria Kathleen, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Mark Aldrin, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I'll love you forever.
I can't really promise a marriage life with no fights and misunderstanding, but I do promise a pillow next to mine, food to your tummy, and a house full of love.
And to Mama Carol and Daddy Jan, thank you for accepting me early. Thank you for giving me the chance to prove how much I'm willing to do for your daughter.
For all times, for always, every season, every day.
Hindi ko talaga hindi ko ma-imagine na darating ako sa point na yun na thank you Lord kasi sobrang bait ng parents ng magiging partner ko.
Doesn't matter, this I know, 'cause I love you.
At sana, tandaan mo, simula ngayong araw na ito, officially, legally, may boss ka na. May misis ka na. Good luck. I love you so much, babe, from the bottom of my heart.
I will love you forever. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. I will love you forever.
First, syempre kay Maki Boy. Where are you? Alright.
Nice, thank you.
Guys, thank you for being here. Let's enjoy the day.
Wow! May pera yan, be.
Meron?
Nandiyan yung pambayad.
As your husband, I vow to be the best leader to you and to our family, and I promise to love you loyally and friendly for as long as I shall live. I love you, babe.
I knew it you were God sent to me. Salamat sa pagdating mo at pananatili sa buhay ko.
Hi, babe. This is the day na matagal na nating hinihintay. Ang tagal mong nasa cart ko, 3 months na. Meron akong 3 regalo sa'yo. Bakit 3? Para I love you. Wow. Thanks for being you and for giving me some of the best years of my life. And many more to come. I love you always, babe. See you at the altar.
Yes naman.